yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. When I had none, all I had to do was try to get my money up, 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 up. Had to pay off some fucking funds. Then I got my money back off like 200 some. More like 400 some with the rum. Yeah, I don't sip on the rum. Yeah, I used to get hella fucking dumb. Off the fucking stupid bubble gum. Hold up, what you mean, cuz. Shout out to my cuz, shout out to my loved ones and the ones that love me back. If you don't love me back, then it's okay, never mind that. No diss on no fucking track or track. Good love for everybody, fuck all that. JV, play it back, JV, play it way back. Okay, oh now, oh what, oh wow, and now I used to have to get my money up, add it up like some motherfucking funds, 20 fucking some, 20 motherfucking some. Now I'm like about to be 30 fucking one, but I love it a lot. JV busting flows on the motherfucking spot till my bones fucking rot. Already said that shit way before. What's in store, what's for show? Winning out the door like a Walmart when it's fucking closed. Open door, everybody wants to be the fucking best. Are you really the best? Then you on it still, motherfucker, rest. I'ma need to get my funds up. No fucking bubble gum, gotta drink a fucking can of fucking monster. No monster, no monster, no monster, no monster, no bomber, no motherfucking what you wanna. Yeah, we live in here for the fucking peace. But like the Middle East, or the Southwest, or the up high, North Pole, Australia, Canada. I don't really know for sure.